everybody. I know typically when you see me here, I've got an ukulele in my hands and I'm getting ready to teach you a new song, and I'm sure I will be back here doing that very thing soon enough. But today I want to invite you into sort of a different corner of my studio, my music studio, if you will. I've got my glasses on today, I'm in my cozy pants, I've got my coffee, because I'm settling into a different kind of work, not the work that is so public facing, but I want to invite you into the songwriting corner of my studio. This is something that I've been doing for half of my life, more than half of my life at this point. As long as I've been playing music, I've been writing music and writing songs that with lyrics and performing them for folks on stage. And with the performing part is a different thing. What I want to invite you into is the world of writing a song, how to go about it, what to be thinking about, what the elements are that are at play. And I'm really excited to teach this. You know, teaching songwriting is very different from teaching somebody how to play a musical instrument. You know, there are a lot of kind of nebulous pieces to it, right, that are really hard to make concrete. But what I'm going to try to do is actually introduce you to some concrete pieces of it, sort of set the scene, put out the puzzle pieces, right, to let you experiment and find your own way into. That's kind of how I'm going to approach it. I'll be teaching a monthly workshop series, the fourth Saturday of every month in September, October, November. And each of these workshops is going to focus on one particular element. So September 30th, we're going to be looking at writing lyrics. October 28th, we're going to be looking at writing music, that is the melody that we sing and the harmony or the chord progressions that support that melody. And then November 25th, we'll be looking at song arrangements, the pieces of a song. What is a verse? What is a chorus? What is a bridge? How might we sequence them together? What pieces do we need and what pieces do we not need to play and write the song that we are writing? So my hope is that this approach serves a variety of different learners. Of course, if you're an absolute beginner, this will be a really nice introduction to each of these elements at play, rather than just throwing you into the interaction between the three of them all at once. We'll kind of parse them out and offer you some approaches to starting to write lyrics, starting to write a melody and chord progressions. However, if you're also an experienced writer, each workshop will kind of give you a chance to revisit, review what you know about these things and dive a little deeper. We'll be looking at song studies, so existing songs, to really see, how does this artist make use of their lyrics in this song or make use of their melody and chord progression? And it'll give you some opportunities to use that study in your own writing. We'll have lots of workshop time where you get a chance to sit down and practice, get back in the regular practice of writing and engaging with the songwriting process. I'm going to be offering these in two different cohorts. So on those fourth Saturdays in the mornings here in Portland, 10 to noon Pacific time, I'll be offering the workshop live on Zoom, and I will also be recording it. So if you can't make it that day, but you really still want access to that content and to be a part of it, I'll be sending out the link to the recorded workshop after the fact. There will also be an in-person cohort in the afternoons here in Southeast Portland. We'll meet from 2 to 4 p.m. So it all happens on the same Saturday. We'll just sort of have a morning class and an afternoon class. You're welcome to sign up for all three or just individual workshops as they pertain to your interest. And you're also welcome to mix and match. So if you know that you can come to the morning cohort one month, but you want to come to the afternoon cohort the next month, that's all fine. There's a chance when you register to put that information into the comments. Speaking of registration, you can do that over at my website, averyhill.studio/shop. It'll be listed there. Look for the Songwriting Basics and Beyond workshop series. And again, you can sign up for individual workshops or for all three. If you have any questions about the logistics of it or the content, or just want to get a better feel for what we're going to be doing, feel free to drop me a line on my contact page. That's averyhill.studio/contact. Really looking forward to diving into this process with you. I hope you will join me. Can't wait to get started with our writing together. See you there.
Good.